Hi, and welcome back to Cook Eat Up. Today we're making a Louisiana-style Remoulade sauce. Now, this is a very simple ingredient that's used in crab cakes, po' boys, and a lot of fried dishes that originate from the New Orleans or Louisiana area. Very simple to make, and this is what you're going to need to make it. You're going to need a clove of garlic, some mayonnaise, hot sauce, I'm using sriracha hot sauce, chili powder, paprika, ketchup, Dijon mustard, grated horseradish, and just a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Now, to put this all together is very simple. It's just a matter of combining the ingredients. The star of the ingredient is going to be mayonnaise. If you want to use a homemade mayonnaise or a high-end mayonnaise, the better the mayonnaise, the better the final thing will be. But I'm just using some store-bought mayonnaise, quick and easy. I'm going to put about quarter cup to half a cup of mayonnaise right into the bowl here. Then I'm going to follow that up with one minced garlic clove. So I'm just going to squash that down, peel it, and then get the garlic clove right into my garlic press. I just press that directly into the mayonnaise. So where you have some fresh garlic right in there. So you're going to press that down, and get your garlic right into the mayo. And then we can just go right down the line here. Next, the sriracha. I'm going to squeeze in a little bit of that. Now you can add as much spice as you want, depending on your preference and temperature. Sprinkle in some chili powder. Next in is some smoked sweet paprika. I'm going to squeeze in about a tablespoon of ketchup. About a tablespoon of mustard. And then I'm going to add about a teaspoon of the horseradish. Now you can get your own horseradish and grate it right in, but once again, I'm using some of the store-bought stuff. And the horseradish has like the zing to it, and that's what I really think imparts the flavor to the sauce. So you definitely want to make sure that you have some horseradish in it. This is one of those ingredients that you don't want to skip. And last but not least, I'm going to add just a capful of the apple cider vinegar, just to add a little more acidity to the entire thing. One capful right in there. Then I'm just going to give this a nice mix just to combine it all. So once you're done combining it, you should have a pale pink smooth sauce. Now what you want to do is give this a taste and adjust it according to your taste. Now, since I like mine to be a little more spicy, I'm going to add more of the sriracha and more of the chili pepper to the mix. Give that another stir. Another taste. Now I got it right where I want it. You're going to want to cover this, set it aside in your fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. That way the flavors really combine and get pulled into that mayo. Once we're done, we're going to be able to use this in whatever we'd like. This is a super simple sauce to make that goes well with many fried dishes. You can actually put it on wings, whatever you want. Now I'm going to be using this in a po' boy recipe, so if you want to see that recipe, you might want to stay tuned for one of the recipes that are going to flash at the end of this video. Thank you for joining me on Cook Eat Up. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscription button, like, and don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below.